Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best battery maintainers on Amazon. Battery maintainers keep your batteries charged and healthy so that you don't ever have to worry about your plans being stymied by a dead battery again. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Noco GENIUS 1 amp fully automatic smart charger. This streamlined battery maintainer will charge and maintain 6 and 12-volt batteries. It works best with flooded gel, AM, deep cycle, and even lithium batteries. This battery maintainer is 35% smaller and more powerful than many of its competitors. And, as an added bonus, it's offered at a refreshingly affordable price point. Looking for a battery charger, maintainer, diesel fader, and trickle charger? This one product delivers all 4. This tender will actively charge your battery until it's fully charged. It will then automatically switch to maintenance or float mode to maintain your battery. This tiny but tough battery tender is even capable of recharging batteries as low as 1 volt. What we like about it? Backed by a 3-year warranty. 35% more powerful than competing battery maintainers. Can diesel fade and manually recharge dead batteries. What we don't like about it? Not powerful enough for use on cars, trucks, or SUVs. Has a tendency to automatically shut off after several days. Number 2. TEC MXS 5.0 battery charger and maintainer. The TEC MXS 5.0 battery charger and maintainer is designed for automotive and motorcycle use. This advanced microprocessor-controlled charger includes a reconditioning mode and is ideal for use with lead-acid batteries. Other features include battery diagnosis, automatic desulfation, and a float pulse system that efficiently maintains the battery when it's connected for long periods of time. The device has a built-in automatic temperature sensor and comes with alligator clamps and eyelets. It's splash and dust resistant and protects against sparking, reverse polarity, and short-circuiting. It has an easy-to-read LED display, is perfect for start-stop systems, and comes with a 5-year warranty. What we like about it? Capable of reconditioning, charging, and maintaining batteries. Fully automatic for ease of use. Backed by a 5-year warranty. What we don't like about it? Unit tends to get warm to the touch. Instructions are vague. Number 3. Schumacher 12V fully automatic battery charger and 3A maintainer. This battery charger will effectively charge and maintain your ATV, lawn tractor, jet ski, motorcycle, or marine battery. It delivers a 3A charge that's controlled by a microprocessor. It uses multi-stage charging to protect and extend the life of your battery. The clamps on this charger are substantial and will connect securely to your battery during use. The charger has reverse polarity protection in case you hook it up wrong. This is an important safety feature that will protect you, your battery, and the tender. It also comes with a hook attachment that lets you hang it outside of your work area. This charger can also effectively charge and maintain lithium LiFePO4 batteries. What we like about it? Works on a wide variety of battery types. Large, easy-to-read display. Substantial and strong alligator clamps. What we don't like about it? Not suitable for 6-volt batteries. Doesn't automatically detect the type of battery you have. Number 4. Schumacher 12V solar battery charger and maintainer. This solar-powered battery charger and maintainer uses the power of the sun to charge your vehicle battery. It works in both full sun and cloudy conditions. The unit is water-resistant and comes with clamp connections to attach it to your battery. It's ideal for boats, motorcycles, snowmobiles, cars, trucks, and RVs. It will maintain a 12V lead-acid battery. This charger and maintainer doesn't need electricity to work. It's also rated for indoor and outdoor use. This gives you complete freedom in how and where you use this battery charger. Unfortunately, this charger and maintainer doesn't put out enough power to keep the battery charged if you have other components in your vehicle using the power. What we like about it? Solar-powered unit doesn't require electricity. Great choice for smaller applications. Super affordable. What we don't like about it? Not very powerful. No display to indicate if the unit is working properly. Number 5. Deltron Battery Tender 4-Bank Battery Management System. For those looking to improve the health of multiple batteries, the Deltron Battery Tender 4-Bank Battery Management System is a fantastic candidate. It's able to accommodate 4 batteries at any given time, with each port independent. What we like about it: works on all AM batteries. Protected against reverse polarity. Microprocessor optimizes electrical flow. What we don't like about it: comes at a fairly high price point. Better if you're working with multiple batteries. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.